Hello friend, welcome to my channel How to Know. Today I'm going to tell about P2P trading recruitment on the Gate.io, and I will tell you how you can be a P2P trader or merchant trader on Gate.io. So let us start. First of all, you need to get sign up on the Gate.io, and then after you can be a part of the Gate.io merchant trader. So let's see how it will work. So first of all, we will scroll in downside. Okay, you have to scroll downside, and after scrolling downside you can see here apply for USDT P2P merchant on the get.io. Just you have to click over here. After clicking, a page will be open. You can see here get.io P2P platform is now recruiting merchant for USDT traders. Okay, Get.io recruiting merchant for the USDT traders, especially for the BTC and Ethereum trading. If you are an experienced trader on the other platform, please don't hesitate to contact us. Become one of first USDT trader with the Get.io and take advantage of the minimum competition. So I will share competition link in description section, where you have to just click on the link and fill the form, and at the same time Gate.io will contact you. So let's read further. Why become a merchant? As a merchant, you will able to set up your own profile picture and enhance your visibility during the trading process. As a merchant, you can apply to become a V recognized merchant. With the V recognized merchant, your service fee will be lowered and will appear more attractive to other users. Merchant will be prioritized. If you require any assistance from the customer care service, then some customer care will contact you, and he will be with you in the whole P2P trading journey. So let's see what is requirement to become a merchant trader on the Gate.io. So first thing is you need to register on the Gate.io, and sign up link is already given in the description section. Just you have to click on the given link and you need to sign up by filling some data required from the Gate.io. Second thing is you need to complete KYC 1 and KYC 2. It is very simple process. I have already made the video on the KYC procedure. And third one is the you have to maintain at least 100 USDT in your account to participate in this recruitment program. So if you are having any query, then link is also share in the description section, from where you can directly contact to the get.io, and your queries will be answered by the support team. So let's see what is the P2P trading. P2P means peer-to-peer trading. Okay, a P2P trade means transaction between two individuals using fiat and crypto. Okay, hope you can understand what is the P2P trading. And with P2P trades, you can choose the person to trade with and choose the payment method that is acceptable for both of you. Okay, you can also choose a method for trading in between you both. So let's this is it all, and just you have to be a Gate.io, and you can earn much more by become a merchant trader on the Gate.io. So please sign up on the Gate.io and given by the using link given in the description section, and also you can participate in this event by clicking this link also given in the description section. If you want to query more about the Gate.io, then I would like to tell you one thing. The Gate.io is a trading platform which is working since 2013. Okay, it is also marked by the top ranking and trustworthy and transparent trading platform for all users. And I think if you are sign up the on the Gate.io by using the link given in the description section, you will get 40% commission off from the each referral. Okay, so this platform is also available for the iOS and Android app, and you can easily download and get rewarded over there. So I will share all the link in the description section. Please do like, subscribe my channel, and thanks so much for watching the video.